Iroko, chlorophora excelsa. Iroko is a tropical hardwood from Africa which can be found between Sierra Leone and Tanzania. Mature examples can reach about 50 metres with a breast height diameter of up to 2.5 metres. The grain is interlocked and sometimes irregular with a coarse, even texture. Heartwood is bright orange-brown, darkening and dulling on exposure, and with distinctly paler vessels. The sapwood is paler and well defined. Bark is whitish-grey, rough and scaly. The bole has irregular buttresses. Leaves broadly ovate to oblong and large, spirally arranged. Green and scabulous above, velvety and paler below. Male flowers are white with yellow anthers and spikes, and female flowers are greenish, again in spikes. The wood has medium bending and crushing strength, very low stiffness and impact resistance. It's moderately good in steam bending, dries quite rapidly and well, has good dimensional stability. The heartwood is very durable. The sapwood is liable to powder post beetle, but it's resistant to termites, and it has a specific gravity averaging around 0.64. It's moderately easy to work with hand or machine tools. It does have hard deposits of calcium carbonate, which have a severe blunting effect on cutting tools, so they'll need sharpening regularly. It chops and bores well, nails and screws well, glues satisfactorily, and takes a polish or wax to a good finish, and in fact an excellent finish if grain filled. Often used as a substitute for teak, its uses include interior and exterior joinery, counter and bench tops, furniture, sculpture and carving, boat building, flooring and plywood.
If you like it, share it, and why not follow me on Patreon and other social media. Cheerio! Can you help me build my world of woods? If you've got a sample of wood which isn't commonly imported or sold in the UK that you can let me have, it'd be great to hear from you.